Good day, everyone. We are Group 1 from Grade 11 Yum Shamrock of Silangan National High School, and today we're proud to present our advocacy website, the Youth Culture Keepers. We aim to promote and preserve the Filipino language, our culture, and our traditions because we believe that our heritage still matters in the modern day.
Let's start with the homepage. This is the first page of visitor where we introduce what culture keepers stands for, a space of youth of celebration encouraged with pass on our culture.
We made sure this page is inviting and easy to navigate. It features visual and short statements that reflects Filipino identity, which are the beauty of the Filipino culture. The benefits of joining us and invite the visitors to explore more. Think of it as the welcome page that draws you in or calls your attention to see more of our advocacy.
Next is the About Us page. Here, we tell who we are, what inspired us to start this advocacy, and why we believe preserving our culture is more important for our generation.
On this page, we also connect our identity as student and youth with the mission in show that the younger generation, can be active cultural keepers, not just bystanders.
For our goals page. This is our goal page. On this page, we clearly list of the goal of the advocacy, promoting the Filipino language among youth, preserving tradition, and giving youth platform to express and share cultures.
We highlight that our goals are actionable and youth-friendly. We, we're not just talking about culture, we're motivating actual steps. Speak our language, join our cultural activities, support local heritage. It inspires us, the visitor, to become part of the goal.
Then comes the project review. Here we feature the project we're doing or planning to do to support our goals. It could be campaigns, workshop, and content, even the youth with our language and traditions.
This page shows how culture can be lived and shared, not just talked about. We made projects more relatable, engaging, and modern for youth, especially for youth, meaning preserving our culture is also fun and relevant.
Finally, the contact page. This is where visitors can reach out to us, share ideas, ask us, join us, and collaborate. This is our open invitation.
We emphasize that our advocacy is not just for our group alone. We welcome other youth, school groups, and individuals who care about culture. This page make it easy to connect and act.
As a group, working on this website taught us a lot, especially for the preserving our culture, the power of youth, especially teamwork, research, design, and communication. We realized that preserving our culture, language, tradition is a part of our identity and our future.
To wrap up, our website, Youth Culture Keepers, is more than a project. It's a movement. It's a call to all young Filipinos. Let's speak our language, live our traditions, and share our culture proudly. Together, we are the Youth Culture Keepers. Thank you for listening.